First at 5, prosecutors say this legal guardian's callous actions led to the death of an elderly man in her care. Rebecca Fierle pleaded guilty to neglect back in February, and today a judge decided her punishment. Fox 15's Gloria Gomez was at her sentencing this afternoon and joins us live from the Hillsborough County Courthouse. Gloria, what did the judge give her?
Fierle got 4 years of probation, no jail time. Of course, the look on her face was a look of relief when she heard that sentence.
Rebecca Fierle may appear meek and harmless, but prosecutors say her cold and calculated actions led to the death of 74-year-old Steven Stryker. Now she's facing criminal charges and recently decided to do an open plea to the court, agreeing to plead guilty to neglect of an elderly person, leaving her fate up to the judge. At her sentencing Friday, prosecutors said Fierle should pay for what she did, asking for jail time plus probation.
Crime here, frankly, is a loss of due process. Mr. Stryker had expressed a desire to live as long as he could.
In May of 2019, prosecutors say Fierle was serving as Stryker's legal guardian, which gave her complete control of his medical and financial decisions. Stryker would end up at St. Joseph's Hospital in Tampa after a medical issue. While there, investigators say Fierle ordered the medical team to remove his feeding tube and requested a do not resuscitate order, or DNR, to be placed on Stryker over his objections. Days later, Stryker choked to death. Prosecutors say it was Fierle's cruel and heartless actions that led to the Navy veteran's death.
Did your mother inspire you to be a nurse?
She did.
Fierle's daughter testified her mother was a hard worker and her role model. Later, Fierle's attorney told the court some medical experts believe her actions were reasonable. He argued Stryker was very ill and there was no good outcome for his recovery. He asked the judge for straight probation, no jail time.
The reality is that Mr. Stryker died while he was in a hospital under 24-hour care by doctors and nurses.
But the last word went to Tampa Judge Samantha Ward. She pointed out what Fierle did was wrong.
Believes she doesn't have any business being anywhere near wards of the state, elderly individuals, to provide any type of service to them at all, based on the conduct that I heard.
The judge also pointed out that she did not believe incarceration was the appropriate sentence in this case, based on the fact that she had no criminal history. So again, she gave her 4 years of probation. Back to you.
All right. Gloria Gomez reporting live from the courthouse. Thank you.